In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import a 3D model into your workspace, ensuring every detail, from the file type to texture checks, is perfectly managed. This process is integral for anyone working in 3D modeling, whether you're just starting out or are more seasoned but looking for a refresher on this essential skill. To begin, open your preferred 3D software and direct your attention to the top menu. You'll want to navigate to the File section. Once there, scroll down to find Import. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for bringing your 3D model into your current project environment. A drop-down menu will appear listing various file types like .obj or .fbx among others. Choose the correct file type for your specific model, as this ensures compatibility with your software and retains important model data. The next step is to locate your model file. It's important that before you start, your files are well organized, ideally with the models and their corresponding textures in the same folder. This organization will save you a lot of time and headache. Once you've found your model, select the file to prepare it for import. Ensuring that your textures are either in the same folder or a clearly linked location will help in avoiding any missing texture issues down the road. Now that you've selected your model, a panel may appear on the right side of your screen showing various import settings. Depending on your software, this panel can offer a range of options. You might see settings for scale, orientation, or other specifics. While the default settings are usually sufficient for most cases, take a quick look to ensure they match your project's needs. If your model appears too large or small, you can use these settings to adjust the scale accordingly. With your settings verified, go ahead and hit Import. This will pull your model into your scene, ready for integration and further editing. You should see your model appear in the viewport, marking the first visual confirmation that it's been imported successfully. To ensure everything looks as expected, switch your view mode to Material Preview or Rendered. This will allow you to check if the textures have been correctly applied to your model. Proper textures can make a world of difference to your 3D project, so if they are not displaying correctly, you'll want to revisit your file locations and ensure everything is properly linked. And there we have them all. You've successfully imported your 3D model, textures included. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to bringing more complex and detailed models into your work seamlessly. Keep these tips in mind as you continue to explore and create within the realm of 3D modeling.